Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the trout fish in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my fish observation. And this is how the trout looks like. Okay, and basically you can catch this fish in the sunny days or in the rainbow event. Okay, and for the source, it's from the Meadow Lake. So you can go to the lake. It's right here, guys. I've already here. Okay, I've been here. This is the Meadow Lake. And you can just prepare your fishing rod and start fishing here. And if you're lucky, you will get the trout. Okay, just right here. And okay guys, that's where you can find the trout fish in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!